If you want to become a millionaire, then this video is for you because I am going to explain 5 things you must understand so you can get to that level. None of this costs any money. I just need you to understand everything that I am about to tell you. So make sure you watch this video to the end. It took me 6 years to learn these 5 things, but I will give it to you all for free in this video. In case you are new here, my name is Tamara T. After I left my 9-to-5 corporate job in 2017, I became a full-time entrepreneur and I've generated over $13 million selling my own products and services online. I am here to teach you how to do the same. So let's get started. The first thing you must understand if you want to become a millionaire is time. So you probably have heard of the term time equals money. Time is money. And this is something I strongly believe in as an entrepreneur because I know my time is money. So my time is focused on activities that generate money. And if you want to become a millionaire, then your time needs to be focused on money generating activities as well. So I want you to understand that everything takes time. There is no such thing as overnight success. I know right now, if you are broke or if you don't have much money in your life, you want to get rich quick. Let's just admit it. Who doesn't want to get rich quick? I know for me, I want to get rich quick, but the reality is it takes time. But there is a way to speed up the process for you to become a millionaire if you understand how to use your time. You see, a lot of people spend their time doing way too many mindless things. How many times have you taken out your mobile device and you start scrolling on TikTok, you start scrolling on Instagram, you start watching Netflix or YouTube videos or start shopping online? You are being a consumer. But if you want to get rich and become a millionaire, you must be the producer. So instead of scrolling on TikTok, maybe you should create some videos on TikTok. Instead of scrolling on Instagram, maybe you should create some content on Instagram, trying to sell your products or your services. You must focus on becoming a producer instead of a consumer. Now that is a whole topic on its own, so I won't get too much into it. But you need to start taking care of your time, taking it seriously, and doing activities with your time that generate money. In my last YouTube video, I talked about trading time for money. If you are someone that is trading your time for money right now, then you will never become a millionaire. You will never become rich. I mean, you may make some money here and there, but in reality, you will never see the amount of money that you wish to see because your income is capped when you are trading your time for money. I talked about it in my previous YouTube video right here, so make sure you watch that video because I explain in detail when you are using your time to make money, you are losing. You are not winning. And that is what 99% of people do. They fall into that trap where they are selling their time for money, trading their time for money, and that is what keeps them poor. So if you want to become a millionaire, you need to be using your time to focus on activities that generate money, but not just money. You need to build systems that generate cash flow and passive income. This means whatever business you have is making you money without needing you to put in the hours. This is exactly what I do, and this is exactly what I've been teaching ever since I started my own online businesses. Nothing that I do is trading my time for money. I do not get paid by the hour. Instead, I get paid through the systems that I built that generates me passive income without having me to be there. For example, today I already generated over $3,000 and I made that money without using my time. I am spending my time filming this YouTube video while the system and business that I created is making money for me. So that's exactly what you need to be doing with your time. And you need to understand that time is money. The more time you spend on mindless activities and doing mindless things that do not help you grow, that is robbing you from becoming a millionaire. So make sure you use your time wisely because time is something we can never get back. You cannot go to the store down the street and say, hey, I want to buy some time. Like, how amazing would that be, right? If we all had a chance to buy more time, we would. so we can buy more time on earth, so we can buy more time to spend with our family, but that is impossible. So the next time you are spending your time doing something, always ask yourself, does this activity help me grow? Does this activity help me generate money? Does this activity make me happy? Because if it's none of those three things, then you probably should not be doing whatever it is that you are doing. The second thing I want you to understand is problem solving. If you want to become a millionaire, then you need to get used to solving problems. I don't care if you hate problem solving. I don't care if you don't like having problems in your life. You need to get used to it, because I promise you, every millionaire has problems and every millionaire knows how to solve those problems. If you are not a good problem solver, then you cannot help other people solve their problems, and therefore you will not make any money. Business is all about solving problems. And if you are not good at solving problems, how do you expect your customers to go to you to buy your products and services? They will not. When you think about it, every product that you have purchased solved a problem. So for example, this whiteboard that I purchased solved my problem because I needed something to write on to talk to you. And the chair that I am sitting on solved my problem because obviously I need to sit down to film a video, or I need to sit down to get on my laptop. That vehicle that you drive to and from work every day solved a problem, because without a vehicle, you cannot get to places. Well, obviously you can walk and take public transportation, but you get my drift. Every product or service that you pay money for, you are paying someone else and you are making them rich. They are helping you solve a problem. So if you get good at problem solving and you understand what your customers are looking for, what their pain points are, and what you want to sell to them to help them solve a problem, you will become rich. You want to get into the habit of finding problems that you can solve. So for example, when I go to Costco, I absolutely cannot stand the people at the very front. You know, when you walk into Costco, there are two people at the front door and they are just standing there manually checking your Costco card, making sure you have a Costco card before you walk inside of Costco. I hate that. And that is a problem. I think that is a problem that I can fix. I am not going to fix Costco's problem right now because that is not my main focus. I don't work for Costco and I don't want to pitch them my services. But what I am trying to tell you is that my mind is constantly trying to solve problems. When I see a problem and I know that there is a solution, I know there is money to be made. So an easy way to solve this problem at Costco is to automate everything. Maybe Costco can have a scanner where a member can just scan their membership card and it may go beep and then the member can walk through. That way, Costco can save so much money and they do not have to pay those employees at the front door. They can just automate the whole process. So that is just an example of how my mind operates. When I see a problem, I want to solve it. So the next time you see a problem, maybe you are walking into Starbucks and you see a problem. By the way, Starbucks does have a problem. I think they need more seating. And a lot of their coffee shops, they need more seating. Why do they need more seating? Because the more seats that they can provide, the more people will go. Maybe they will bring their laptop or their book or whatever and sit there and work on their laptop or read the book. And while they are doing that, guess what? They will purchase a beverage. They will eventually get hungry. Therefore, Starbucks can make more money. So that is problem solving. Anyways, the next time you notice a problem, I want you to think of a solution to solve that problem. Because if you want to become a millionaire, making money is all about solving problems. Because like I said, if you want to make a ton of money, you need to be solving problems. And that is the only way how you can get clients and customers to pay you for your services and your products. Next up, you need to fall in love with helping others. So regardless if you get paid or not, you must get used to helping others, because once you help others, you are a person with value. And when you have value to share with others, people will eventually pay you for your products and your services. For example, I do not make any money from YouTube by making these videos. YouTube does not pay me. I like to help people for free on my channel because my purpose in life is to help as many people like yourself become financially free. I grew up with no money. I was poor. I worked a shitty 9 to 5 job. So now when I do have financial freedom, I want to give back. I don't get sponsored by making these videos. So I am helping others. So if there is anything that you are good at, you should be sharing your knowledge and expertise with other people so they can get to your level as well. Sooner or later, people will pay you for what you know. This is exactly what I teach in my new business called Cash Flow Courses. You are taking your knowledge, advice, expertise, and packaging that into an online course. This is what I teach so people can make passive income online. And this is exactly what I did to generate over $13 million online. If you want a free course on how you can do this for yourself, then all you need to do is click on the link in the YouTube description below to join my Cash Flow Courses community. You will be able to chat with myself and other successful entrepreneurs who are all doing the same thing to generate passive income online. Next up, you need to understand something called the compound effect. If you want to see millions of dollars, then you need to create something that has a compound effect. So everything that I do online has the compound effect. For example, after I am finished recording this video, I will post it to YouTube. And YouTube will do something called the compound effect. I do not have to put in any work or any of my time. YouTube will push out this video to viewers who are searching the topic, how to become a millionaire if you're broke. And those people can see this video. And when they see this video, hopefully they will be interested in what I am trying to teach them so they can join my community and learn from me. This is the compound effect. After you create something like this in your business, this does the work for you. This will generate money for you. If you keep trading your precious time to get paid by the hour, you will never create the compound effect, because getting paid by the hour or being on salary is not the compound effect. The compound effect works for you without needing you to do any work. Huge companies also have the compound effect. If we use Amazon, for example, Jeff Bezos definitely is using the compound effect. He has fulfillment centers, he has the right systems set up, he has the best people on his team that all come together to create the compound effect so he can make billions of dollars every day. I am not saying that if you apply the compound effect, you will become rich like Jeff Bezos, but I am telling you that if you want to see more money in your life and you want to become closer to becoming a millionaire, then you need to apply the compound effect. And lastly, let's talk about community. Now, I don't know about you, but I do believe that your network is your net worth. If I hadn't joined online communities to meet the right people, I would not be here today. I would have learned nothing. I would have no connections. I would not have the right network to make me millions of dollars online. So if you want to make a lot of money, you need to be with the right people who are also on the same journey to making a lot of money. Just imagine you are the only person in your circle of friends that want to make money. All of your other friends are focused on different things. Maybe they have different careers. Maybe they are into video games, or maybe they are into Netflix, or maybe they are into swimming. I don't know. They may be into hundreds of different activities. But if you are the only person in your circle of friends that is interested in becoming a millionaire, but everyone else is not because they are into different things, then you are likely to fail. This is something that I learned throughout my years in entrepreneurship. If I want to become successful and if I want to become a multimillionaire, I need to get close to people who are already millionaires. So a few years ago, I joined expensive courses, I joined expensive masterminds, all because I know that I needed to get close to the multimillionaires. If I am not surrounded by millionaires, then how can I become a millionaire? That doesn't make sense because you become who you hang out with. If all your friends are lazy, guess what? You will probably be lazy. If all your friends are millionaires, then you have a very high chance to becoming the next millionaire. You just will, because everyone else around you is a millionaire. So everything that you guys share and talk about will be focused on getting to the next level, how to create successful businesses, how to make more money. The conversations and the habits that these people have are very different than what you are used to. So having access to a community with a group of people all focused on the same thing and all focused on achieving the same financial goals is what is going to help you succeed. If you want to join my community where I help others how to generate passive income online by selling their own knowledge and their expertise, then all you need to do is click on the link in the YouTube description below. Inside my community, you will get access to a free introductory course where I teach you everything to build systems and generate passive income online. Again, if you want to succeed and if you want to get to the next level of success, you need to spend your time with mentors who know what they are doing, and you need to get close to people who are already millionaires. You may need to watch this video again because it is so important that you understand these 5 things. Like I said earlier, this costs you no money to watch this video. It costs you no money to understand everything I just said. You just need to apply it in your own life.